7 money mistakes. Keeping people poor. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get richer every year, while others work hard but never get ahead? The truth is, becoming wealthy is often less about how much money you make, and more about the mistakes you avoid. Today, we're going to reveal 7 money mistakes that keep millions of people poor without them even realizing it. And trust me, the last mistake might be the most dangerous of all. Mistake 1. Living to impress others. The first mistake is spending money to impress people. Many people buy expensive phones, designer clothes, or luxury cars, not because they need them, but because they want approval from others. Philosopher Seneca once said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." Many people imagine others are judging them, so they spend money they don't have to create an image they can't afford. Wealthy people often focus on building assets. Poor people often focus on looking rich. Mistake 2. Not tracking spending. The second mistake is not knowing where your money goes. Imagine trying to lose weight without knowing what you eat. It wouldn't work. Money is the same. Small daily expenses seem harmless, but over months and years, they can cost thousands. Financial awareness is the first step toward financial freedom. If you don't control your money will control you. Mistake 3. Waiting to earn more. For investing. Many people say, "I'll start investing when I make more money," but that's backwards. The famous scientist Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts invested consistently can become significant over time. The biggest advantage isn't money, it's time. Mistake 4. Depending on one source of income. If your entire income comes from one job, you're taking a huge risk. What happens if that job disappears? Today, successful people build multiple income streams through freelancing, investing, online businesses, or side projects. One income source creates survival. Multiple income sources create security. Mistake 5. Ignoring financial education. Schools teach many subjects, but most people never learn how money actually works. Psychologist Carol Dweck, known for her research on mindset, showed that people who continue learning are more likely to grow and succeed. The same applies to money. Reading books, listening to podcasts, and learning basic investing can completely change your financial future. Knowledge is one of the few assets that nobody can take away from you. Mistake 6. Using debt for lifestyle. Not all debt is bad, but using debt to buy things that lose value is one of the fastest ways to stay poor. Many people finance vacations, gadgets, and luxury items. Then they spend years paying for moments that lasted only days. Before buying something, ask yourself, will this make me richer or poorer in the future? That single question can save you thousands. Mistake 7. Thinking short-term. This is perhaps the biggest mistake of all. Most people focus on today's comfort instead of tomorrow's freedom. They want immediate rewards and quick results. But wealth is usually built slowly. Psychologist Walter Mischel's famous marshmallow experiment found that people who could delay gratification often achieved better long-term outcomes. The ability to sacrifice a little today can create a much better future tomorrow. Wealth isn't built in a day. It's built through consistent decisions repeated for years. So, which of these 7 money mistakes are you making right now? Remember, stop trying to look rich. Track your spending. Start investing early. Build multiple income streams. Keep learning. Avoid bad debt. And think long-term. Fixing even one of these mistakes could completely change your financial future. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build real wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.